Hey guys, Cody Van Lannen at VL Performance. Stay tuned for some Porsche tuning. Hey guys, Cody Van Lannen here again from VL Performance, and what I got here is a 2010 Porsche Cayenne S Transsyberia. It's a 1 of 600 made in the United States, and it's an off-road package. It's got some crazy orange emblems, orange wheels. It's got selectable lock-in differentials, which is pretty cool for the Porsche game. It has a GTS engine, which is a 4.8 liter naturally aspirated, and we got it tuned on 91 fuel, utilizing Malone Tuned in a collab with VL Performance. It's a bone stock car. We netted 25 horsepower, 15 foot-pounds of torque. If you guys are a Porsche European fan, keep an eye on our page and our socials for a 944 build we got going on right now. It's pretty exciting. I'm curious if you guys would drive this SUV Porsche. I think it's pretty dope. Take a friend, like, comment, and share, guys, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.